You make money, we make a solution. Make your dream comes true.
When you consider how to make houseware and home appliance, here you have solutions. Aluminum utensils and cookware like top, fish pan, and also stainless steel chip ply cookware sets. Impact bonding pots. Pressure cooker in Indian market. Rice cooker. Also you can make 4 series cookware. You can send us your product samples and drawings. We can make solutions and turnkey projects for you.
This is CBR team from Sunglory. Focus on access A to Z solutions production line for cookware set, pressure cooker, triply cookware, glass lid, and most. Let me introduce our sales engineering teams.
Hello, I'm Max Sunglory.
Hola, I'm Giselle Sunglory.
Namaste, I'm Demi Sunglory.
Salam, I'm Crystal Sunglory. Contact us, succeed with us.
Hello, Salamano, hola. This is Jessie from Sunglory. When you want to open new factory or run automation in white aluminum utensil, non-stick cookware, pressure cooker, kettle, we are here working with you together.
Mahaba, this is Yishen from Sunglory.
Namaste, this is Phoebe from Sunglory.
Hola, soy Elena.
Are you considering to set up factory to produce stainless steel bottle, thermal flask and glass refill flask in your country? A to Z turnkey project and global service center based in China and India available for you. Work with us, you will make more money.
We are your supply chain in China. The backup to
Realize your dream.